Alright, hi guys, this is Tonya with Tonya's Tip, and I am back with a new vlog video, you guys. Alright, y'all, I am going to vlog today. Hi guys, I haven't seen you guys in a while, but I am back with doing my videos and get my video content out to you guys. I just wanted to vlog with y'all and show y'all my day. I'm going out tonight, so I'll show you guys when I get into where I'm going, so you guys can see what I'm doing tonight. I'll show y'all as soon as I get there. Alright, you guys, I told y'all I was going to show y'all where I was at. So I am at the bowling alley today. Hold on, let me fix my clothes. Alright, you guys, I'm about to roll together. It's like slippery, huh? And then you know it's slippery.
Yeah, yeah, that's hey, every
Make
year.
it cute. I'm making it cute. Shanika's in the building. So we're not doing too bad with the bowling. So we're gonna see who's gonna win. Oh, I know you coming in, killing it. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. How you just coming in and you killing it already?
Not the.
How you gonna come in here and start killing it? All right, come on, let's see what she got. See if she can finish it all. All right, Nick. Okay.
Not that failure.
All right, Bruce. What you trying to find, a light bulb? Alright, you guys, so I am up by 2. I am winning so far. We're gonna see how long that's gonna last. But Bruce is bowling again now. It's his turn. So I'm doing pretty good, not too bad. Alright, you guys, as you see in the clip, okay, I'm gonna say that I won 2 games of bowling.
All right, you guys, so I'm going to start you guys off today with this room tour. I am out of town. I'll tell you guys maybe another time where I am, but I want to start you guys off with this room tour. So I'm going to start you guys off from the door. I am at the Hilton Hotel. Just like the last time, this room just is a little bit different, but it's still just very simple, very cute, and very clean, just like I had in Houston, Texas as well. This is the little mini bar right here, which comes with a refrigerator, microwave. Let's see what's at the bottom of this microwave. Let me see. Oh, it's just like a little storage area. You have the coffee pot, some water, ice bucket, you guys. Refrigerator, I'm sure nothing is in it, just a clean refrigerator. This is also just a closet. I put all my things in there. I am going to bring you guys on over to the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here. Of course, you have your cute little sink with all of your shampoos and soaps and lotions and everything like that. Some nice towels. The towels are all neat and pretty up here. They have a little makeup mirror. Of course, that is the bigger mirror right there. That's a nice little painting on the wall. Here is the tub, you guys. tub and shower combo right here. So that is the bathroom. Just something simple, something cute. So I'm gonna take you guys on over to the bed. I'm gonna take you guys on over to the bed. Here is the double beds we have in the room. Some wall art right here on the wall. I love the back headboard for the beds. It's really, really cute. They have a little cute nightstand right here as well. Here's the other bed with the headboard, and then they have this cute little lamp in the corner with mom. Hi, mom. All right, you guys, this is my mom. We're doing a girls trip, and then we have some cute little art on the wall. And right here, there's some pretty little drapery right here. And I'm gonna show you guys the view because I haven't seen the view yet. So let's take a look. I think the sun is setting, so let's see what we can get. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful, you guys. Guys, look at that beautiful sunset. That is gorgeous. So this is the view from my room. All right, you guys, on over this way. This is a desk right here. It has a little pretty little mirror right here. Of course, again, you guys can see mom in the mirror. And also, you guys, the desk is pretty long and it has some dresser drawers. That is my camera sitting there, my other camera. This is the television right here. Also a big huge television for us to watch tonight. So like I said, you guys, it is a girls trip with me and mom, and we are out here having a good time. So you guys, this room tour is very small. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little video to add to the footage I may get you guys for tomorrow. But this is a cute long mirror as well, if you guys can see that cute long mirror. So when I get dressed, I'll be able to see what I look like in that cute mirror. And then it takes you right back where we started from, right here, by the wet bar right there. So you guys, that is it for this small little cute little room tour from me and mom. We're just having a quick little girls trip, and I just wanted to share with you guys what we were doing and show you guys our room. Say bye, mom.
Bye.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next part of this video, or this may be the video. So you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Bye, guys.